News that we're tracking from Mumbai's Thane. In fact, civic apathy in Chief Minister's constituency. Let's tell you, newly built road caves in Thane, and the commuters narrate the ordeal. In fact, taxpayers' money washed away in fast showers. Who is accountable? Pretty much what Mirror Now is focusing on, taking that question to my colleague. Understand Shweta Verma is joining me live from the location. Shweta, as far as this is... Alright, okay, I'm going to go across to her just in a bit when we have her connected. But more importantly, let's tell you what has initially happened over here. This is a newly built road. This has caved in. And what's more important here is Thane is Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's constituency. Having said that, we are picking up at the moment that a bike rider has been injured, considering the fact that this particular road in question is uneven, and has also narrated his ordeal to my colleague. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me from that particular incident site. Shweta, give us a quick takeaway as to what really transpired there. More importantly, this is the Chief Minister's constituency, and a person has also been injured, considering the fact that what we're looking essentially on the road in terms of the fact that it's an uneven road, first rain, and this is what we get to see on the ground.
This is another classic example of shoddy work that has been done. In fact, we do not want to be insensitive, but it is very important for us to show how the commuters face difficulty. Manoj, if you can just show the kind of bruises. It's really sad to see that while we are reporting the biker met in minor accident, but really sad that we are reporting things for the public knowledge and people are suffering. Here what we understand is that his bike skidded due to the uneven road. In fact, one can understand this particular patch where we are doing this story to make PWD authorities wake up from their deep sleep, that in a month the entire road has disappeared. That is causing a lot more trouble. Here you can see, Manoj, if you can just show the road. Imagine how do people travel on such road, and it is very tallly being claimed by PWD that the work is done. We have constructed the road. This road has been constructed newly where there are several unevenness which can be considered right in front of us that we are seeing. And here, look at the way. I mean, I really cannot even walk properly here, and it is very sad to see the motorist. In fact, the biker got injured here. He will be taken to the nearby hospital. But, while we are making our viewers also understand the kind of work that has been done by the authorities here, they have become moreover the center of criticism. And why not? The commuters, those who commute from here, they have to face the severe difficulties on daily basis. Now I'll tell you what is the significance of this particular patch. While we are reporting from this patch, this is a crucial key connecting road towards Mumbai, Thane, Vasai, Mira Bhayandar, wherever you go. Ghodbunder Road is a very crucial key connector, and here you see the kind of work that has been done. In fact, while we were collecting our inputs, doing ground report, we understand that this is the daily commuters, they face this some or the other way. They come across minor accidents, sometimes with major. But really, civic authorities, those who have shunned their eyes from the work which they have done, just look at the road, how one travels. The setback for the government as when they start speaking about CM's bastion. This is CM's bastion, and here what we see is the kind of unevenness, the work which has been done, the entire the material, in fact the soil stabilization which was done, even that has come out. We have been getting so many commuters, those who are seeing the mic and camera, they are stopping by themselves. They are venting out their anger. They are expressing their displeasure that how difficult it is for us to travel. And the bike riders, in fact, you talk about motorists, the car, whoever we see, they are into great trouble while traveling from this particular road. And I have already discussed that why it is important and how we see this important road is being poorly constructed. In fact,
All right, Shweta, I'd have to interject you there, but for the moment, thank you very much for not really putting things into context as to what essentially the problem over here lies, because this is a Thane road that has just disappeared after the first particular rain. We're looking at essentially Mirror Now reporting from the ground, showing how commuters are being affected. We'll continue to track this because more importantly, this is the Chief Minister's constituency as well, raises many questions about the quality of work, the shoddy work that has been put into context. But having said that, we'd have to leave the conversation at that, and that's all I have